In the last video, we looked at what matrices are. What we talk about is something called the order of a matrix and the elements of a matrix and how we actually find specific bits of information. This video is about addition and subtraction of matrices. So as I mentioned before, a matrix is essentially a table or a spreadsheet of information, but the benefit over just writing in a table is we can actually do mathematics with a matrix. So for example, if we had a matrix like, we called it A, and it was a matrix that looked a bit like this, 3, 2, 5, 7. So this one here has an order of 2 by 2, and it has 4 elements in it. So this element here would be referred to as A1, 1, because it's in the first row and the first column. Then let's say we had another matrix called B, and it had the same number, -2, 1, 9, 3. So we've got 2 matrices of the same order. We can actually add them together. We could say matrix A plus matrix B is equal to something. We could call it matrix C if we wanted. So just notice whenever we're talking about a matrix, or any of the matrices, remember is the plural, we use uppercase letters. And the elements of each of these, so this would be row 2, column 1, we use lowercase letters for. Okay, so having a look at addition and subtraction of matrices. We've got a few rules. We add each element, in the matrix to the other elements in the same positions. So we don't go and add this element to this one here. Wouldn't make any sense anyway. We would add this element to this element, this element to this element, this one to this one, and this one to this one. So we've got this matrix, why don't we call it matrix A, this one called matrix B, and then we can add them together. So this would be A plus B. So you can see we've done the 1 from over here, plus the 5 from over here. This 2 has come from here, the 6 has come from here. Hopefully that makes sense. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 4 plus 8 is 12. All right, a couple more rules. Matrices are subtracted by subtracting elements in the same position, so exactly the same as addition, only we do subtraction. So if this was instead A take B, this position here would change to 1 take 5. That would be 2 take 6, 3 take 7, 4 take 8, etc. All right, really important thing to check before we get started. Matrix addition and subtraction can only be done if the 2 matrices have the same order. So if you imagine we got rid of this, matrix B only had 2 rows, 2 rows and 1 column, so it was a 2 by 1 matrix, the order of 2 by 1. We can't add them together because there's nothing to add this element onto, or this element. All right, a couple of quick examples. So we have question A. Make this matrix here, 2, 4, 5, and 1. It's a 2 by 2. This one here is a 2 by 2. We've checked the order is the same, so we can actually add these together. So I'll do the solution just down here. We're going to make a new matrix. 2 plus 9 makes 11. 4 plus 8 makes 12. 5 plus 9 makes 14. And 1 plus -1, remember this, 1 plus -1, a positive and a negative, if they're different signs, it ends up being negative. So it's 1 take 1, which is 0. So that position is 0. All right, subtraction. Again, this is a 3 row by 2 column, and this is 3 rows by 2 columns. So again, the order is the same. We can actually subtract these. So the answer also has to be a 3 by 2. So 7 4 is 3. 3 take 2 is 1. 2 take -1. Same sign means it becomes plus. So that's 3. 8 take 9 is -1. 1 take 3, -2. 0 take 7, -7. Okay, example C. This one is a 2 by 1 matrix, and this is a 2 by 2. These are not the same order, so we can't do addition or subtraction with those two. All right, move on to the section 2 questions.